Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up and register for P&O Cruises online. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your PC, laptop or even your mobile device. Type in P&O Cruises and then click onto pnocruises.com.au. And then you'll be brought to the main page of P&O Cruises, which will look similar to this. And then from here, as you can see, there's no create an account button. So what you need to do is click onto login and then click onto under where it says login, not a member, sign up here. And then you want to fill out this form here from your title, first name, last name, date of birth, mobile number, Australian, New Zealand passcode, email, etc. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright, I've just filled out this form, so I'm going to click on create an account. Hopefully it's all correct. As you can see, it's creating this account here. It's loading. Once that is done, you'll be moved on to the next page. Alright, as it says here, nearly there, please verify your email. So I'm going to go ahead and verify that now. Alright, I'm inside my emails and here it is here. Oh no, it hasn't popped up yet. I'm going to refresh. Alright guys, here's the email now. Finally got it after about a 10-minute wait. So now what I want to do is click on verify your email. Email verified, welcome aboard. And now what you need to do is log in. Log in, it's already saved. Alright, and as you can see, that's how to sign up and register for a P&O account, guys. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.